and spirit soaring. Let us begin this day with the atmosphere of learning and warmth. We are delighted to have amidst us our Reverend Father Principal Vivian Fernandez.
If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, then you are an excellent leader. And this, the principal, Reverend Sister Kalpana, our honorable parents, worthy colleagues, supporting staff and all my dear students.
With great joy, we come here today to celebrate the stewardship that God has called our leaders to. Willingly and joyfully for the good of the school.
Every celebration begins with joy, energy and positivity. Dance is the hidden language of the soul that spreads happiness and togetherness among all.
So get ready to witness a mesmerizing performance by our talented students as they present the welcome.
अभिनंदन करता छाई
627.
Cabinet members for session 2026-27. Head boy Dipanshu Singh Kalial. Head girl Riyanshi Mittal. Sports captains Arsh and Arshma. Vice captains Ataru Rathi, Arya Asan. Discipline captains Arush Tripathi, Pragya Chavan. Vice captains Vidwan Chaudhary, Arush Singh. Literary captains Yuvan Pant, Vamika Patak. Vice captains Daksh Singh and Jansi Rajput. Cultural captains Krishna Chaudhary and Adhya. Vice captains Ayushman Joshi and Hanit Kaur. Social cell captain Gurnoor Singh, Vice captain Samriddhi Saxena. Eco club captain Adina Shah, Vice captain Shubh Vardhan Chavan. Art and craft captain Anika Rai, Vice captain Savyaraj. Red House captains Sargun Singh and Ravneet Kaur, Vice captain Manvik Rawat and Angel Joy Julian. Greenhouse captains Utkarsh and Chanvi, Vice captains Tanmay Chaudhary and Shakti Sharma. Yellow House captains Darsh Chabra and Priyansha Karbanda. Vice captain Nischas Sharma and Bhavika Adhikari. Blue House captains Aditya Agarwal and Anaya Sachdeva. Vice captains Baltesh Singh and Trishika Rajwa. Volunteers for session 2026-27. Eva Sen, Nibisha Rohela, Tanvi Wamma, Alex Joy Will, Shreyansh Singh, Rao Shalap Yadav, Adya Rathi, Veronica, Sanaya, Mohammad Sibkat Ul Chaudhary. Green Brigades for session 2026-27. Elshiva Sai, Pavani Mittal, Ojas Verma, Aizam Jamal, Arno Pratap Singh, Jacqueline Rose, Maureen Fatima, Yuvraj, Joy Messi and Shaur Dayal. Now I will be asking the questions for cabinet members and the Green Brigade and volunteers. You will respond, yes, I do. Do you realize the seriousness of the responsibility you are going to shoulder? Are you ready to stand by the values and the principles of our school at all costs? Are you ready to cooperate with the school authorities, coordinators, moderators and students of Maria Assumpta School? With the authority vested in me as the principal of the school, I hereby appoint you as the head boy, head girl, discipline captains and vice captains, literary captains and vice captains, sports captains and vice captains, cultural captains and vice captains, and the captains and the vice captains of respective houses. I now call upon you to affirm through your oath that while discharging the duties entrusted to you as the responsible students, you will abide by the rules and the regulations of the school and uphold its values with sincerity and dedication. You shall strive to exhibit the highest standards of discipline, integrity and moral conduct, bringing honor to the school and contributing to the glory of the nation. The newly appointed members of the school will now be vested with badges and sashes, symbol of honor, pride, and responsibility. These are not merely decorations, but reminder of the trust placed in them and the duties they must fulfill with sincerity and dedication. May the Almighty God bless each one of you and guide you in journey of leadership and service.
Students, attention! Cabinet mark time!
request Ma'am Tina Varghese, Ma'am Shimla Agrawal, Ma'am Neha Gandhi and Ma'am Himanshi Thakkar to vest Green House captains and vice captains with badges and sashes. I request Ma'am Tina Varghese, Agrawal, Ma'am Neha Gandhi and Ma'am Himanshi Thakkar to vest the Green House captains and vice captains with badges.
rise.
Cabinet, attention! I request all cabinet members to me. I depositing Kanya as a head boy. Solemnly take this oath in the presence of our principal, teachers, and fellow students of Maya Center Convent Senior Secondary School. That I will faithfully abide of this esteemed institution and my teachers and strive to set a worthy example for my fellow students. I will carry out my duty, dedication, and a strong sense of responsibility. Always working for the honor of my school and the glory of the nation. And
To our volunteer Alex Joy Will. I request Ma'am Shushma Shakya to kindly honor our volunteer Shriyans Singh. I request Ma'am Shweta Agrawal to kindly vest the badge to our volunteer Rao Salab Yadav. I request Ma'am Jyoti Tamta to kindly honor our volunteer. I request Ma'am Shweta Rani to kindly vest the badge to our volunteer Veronica. I request Ma'am Sanju Arora to kindly vest the badge to our volunteer Mohammad Sibgatullah Chaudhary.
To kindly vest the badge to our Green Brigade member Pavni Mittal. I request Ma'am Seema Verma to kindly honor our Green Brigade member Ojas Verma. I request Ma'am Anshid member Aiza Jamal. I also request Ma'am Neetu Chandra to kindly honor our Green Brigade member Arnab Pratap Singh. I request Ma'am Tanya Agarwal to kindly vest the badge to our Green Brigade member Jacqueline Rose. I request Ma'am Shruti to kindly honor Yuvraj. I request Ma'am Riya Pathak to kindly honor our Green Brigade member Joy Messi.
The oath position. I, Nimisha Rohila, the volunteer, solemnly promise that I will serve my school sincerely and responsibly. I will be disciplined, honest towards my teachers and fellow students. As a member of the volunteer, I will actively participate in school activities and work for and protection of the environment. I will encourage others to keep the school green and clean and will always uphold the traditions and values of my school. Hands down.
Dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you forget up, if you forget up, it's cause this is Africa. It's time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't win the mighty battles before. People are raising their expectations. Go and feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. To break your day, feel it, break the way. You get down, get up, when you get down, get up, hey. This time for Africa.